The coolest packing paper ever. That is just so satisfying. So then I can rip off a piece. It becomes very padded and don't have to crumble up the paper. It is nice and soft. It is just so satisfying. Love it. Okay, take a piece off. It's very durable. Then roll something up in it and boom. One of a kind pencil sharpener. So the pencil will go right into here and it will hold it. And if I twist it up and down, the pencil will spin. And this side here is like a sharpener. And let's see. Okay, pull it out and it's even better now. Love it. Tech accessory, keychain, tape measure. This is purple Damascus. Both sides, that's the type of the metal. And the tape measure go up to 3 feet. It looks like it's inches and centimeters. Look at that Damascus. Both sides too. Olight Haloop. This is one of the coolest lantern I ever seen. There's yellow, another yellow, and twisted, and it's white. So bright. It's 600 lumens, max 180 hours. So press this, it opens up. It can go onto a tripod, or it can plug in into any kind of stick. So that way it can be suspended on a tree. And there's a hook like this way. For example, it can go on a bench. Lock it in and it's not going anywhere. Yeah, press it and remove it. Love it. Got a couple awesome gadgets from Blade Show. This is Basanelli Knives Creation Tabasco holder. Look at that. Like a holster for the necklace. And this side here is a knife bead. Full decked out bulletproof vest with geared up. And this side here, silver logo 925. And I like it how it can go through here or through sideways. So it can hang on a knife sideways or this way, and the nut would be in the back. Super cool. Anytime there is a 925 silver or pure silver, I love that kind of like beads and everything like that for knives. Quick demonstration. This is what it looks like. Pretty cool. It's going to look this way red, and this way it will be black. Got it here, candle extinguisher. So got my candle, put it through, slide it over, and it will bite into it and stay there. Light my candle. It's almost burned out. Once it gets to that level, it should self shut off with the spring. Nah, just so soft. Boom. And it snuffs it. Next level lighter. First of all, there's a forever match with a striker over here, and it goes like this. Get a good strike, and we got a actual match on fire and a lighter fluid burning off from it. If you run out from a lighter fluid, there's still a striker in emergency situation to start a fire, or there's actual, this goes on, there's actual lighter, and it's pretty reliable too. This reminds me of one of those trench lighters designs. Boom. That's a nice flame. Light up candles, whatever. I got it here, boat motor creamer mixer for the coffee or tea. If I add creamer, I need to mix it up. All I have to do is put this boat motor in, and look how much it mixes in it. Wow, that's cool. And also, if I want to mix it more, all I have to do is twist it more and it will wind up. That's quite hilarious, but at the same time, all the boat people probably will love that gift. You know, I collect very unique lighters. Check this out. This is definitely one of them. You see the way it strikes? You have actual striker over here instead of having a drummer. Very original. I guess there's a flint somewhere set up inside there. So whenever we pull it out, it strikes really good. Saturate it one time. This is definitely one of a kind. Boom. You can hold it like that. You can hold it like that. I would say it's easier to hold it like that, light something up. Vintage mechanical push drill. Where's the drill bits? They're right here. Boom. And there's a drill bits inside here. Honestly, my favorite part about it is the compartment hidden away all the drill bits. And then this lifts up, slides in, and locks in. A little bit harder, but it's working really well. That is so cool. Look at that. Pretty awesome. This thing is double this size. This is so awesome. Wow. Let's see if I can do it with one finger. Ooh, that feels so good. Check this out. This is at the blade show, $7,000. Might get one. Ooh, I might have to practice with one finger. Not bad. The kick feels so nice to it. That is amazing. Alright. AirTech knives, model 2X, Clerics 2. Got it here, super cool multi-tool. This side here, a lock button to open one, or the other one right here. Boom, works really well this way or this way. Same thing right here, a screwdriver and two more Allen wrenches. And right here, there's a push button and release it, and it locks. Push this to release it again. So push that and release it. Awesome. Very cool folding mechanism right here. Radio rope macro and radio rope. Let's see what it's about. First of all, it tensions over here. Very easy to deploy it. All I have to do is just pull the rope out, and very easy to reset it as well. Very cool. And whenever I need a rope, all I have to do is take a piece off and then tighten it back up right here, and it will hold together. Radio rope marker is same thing, but on a smaller size. When I need a rope, cut it out this one and then tighten it up. Also, both of them have a compartment for fishing gear, lighters, matches, fire starters. It's pretty big. Rita XO K carabid. This one is sharp, this one is a trainer. Why we need a trainer? Because it's very unique. That's how it holds. There's a button. Boom. Release it this way. And then grab it, lock it, locks back in. This is quite fun to use too. So if I hold it, boom, lock it. It definitely takes a little bit of practice how to use it, but it is awesome. Once we figured out how to do it, it is quite fidgety. Okay, one more time. Boom. And then lock it. Lock it. Yeah, love it. And this way. Definitely one of the most unique carabids I've ever seen. Demco Megalodon exclusive blade show. It's on auction. It's $4,000 bid so far. That is amazing. There's another way to hold it. Beautiful. Blade show, my first time here. Already impressed. Yeah, that's heavy. Hey guys, I'm at the CVV table blade show. This is prototypes they got. This is Omic. They're going to be available in 4 months. And so cool about mechanism. Push on this too and then fold down. That's amazing. Same thing. Gentle push here and here with 2 fingers. Drops down so good. I'm excited about this one for sure. There's some. And then in black. I love it so much. So smooth. Wow. That is so cool.
Oh, you
Yeah.
can flick it out too, so it is a flip out
There
too.
is a flipper, yes. Flicks out with authority because you got that nice heavy blade and then really nice.
So the only thing you need to unlock it is by pushing this too.
Yep.
That is awesome. So the locking mechanism is super cool.
Got it here another pencil sharpener. This one right here is German. Let's see how it works. As you can see, there's a multiple blades in there. Let's put it to see what happens. You kind of have to push it down a little bit. Although it does it really well, you just have to lower it down. You see it? Okay, there you go. That's come pushing it down. So nice and quick. Again, the problem is I don't think these pencils are thick enough. Back in the day, I think they were much thicker. But yeah, then you pull this out and take it all